Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of pre-Christmas decluttering because I just got home a couple days ago from Bahrain. I'm trying to unpack my case, but I'm just overwhelmed by the amount of stuff that's already in this room. I can't move for stuff, and I think now that I've spent time in a much bigger room, because my room in Bahrain is like twice the size of this, but it also has like a quarter of the stuff in it. So now that I'm back in this little space that's got all this stuff inside, I'm starting to feel claustrophobic. I don't like it. Stuff everywhere. I can't move. I can't unpack my case. I just feel a little bit sick about it. So I want to do some decluttering before I even finish unpacking, and also before any more stuff like comes into the house at Christmas time. Ever since I was a little girl, I would always do a pre-Christmas declutter because I knew Santa was going to bring me some nice things, but that would mean that I'd need to like make space for them, or else you just got a big old heap of stuff in the middle of the room. So I thought that I would bring back my pre-Christmas decluttering tradition, since there is a lot of clutter around here, and also everything kind of has been moved around while I've been gone and I don't know where anything is. So I just want to like get rid of some stuff, organize everything, and feel a little bit happier in this space while I'm here. If you guys have been following my decluttering videos, then you know that I'm a huge fan of the KonMari method, but that is not what we are working with today. I did my KonMari clothes declutter, my KonMari books, my papers. I started with the miscellaneous items, and I obviously never got the chance to see it through right to the end because I'm just never here long enough. I'm only ever here for a few weeks at a time. So I never did the full process from beginning to end, but I don't really want to like start at the beginning again. It just seems unnecessary. So instead of like going back and doing a whole KonMari section by section, I'm just gonna do a very brief, hopefully, and like less intense declutter of just whatever is in my room. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy decluttering videos. I know a lot of you do. A lot of you are like me. You love to watch people just like go through their piles of rubbish and like sort it all out. Something satisfying about it, right? But before it gets any darker or grayer outside, let's just get into the video. So I'm definitely watching Consumed right now on Netflix, just for a little added inspiration. So this is the situation in this wardrobe right now, and there's a lot of stuff in it, but not necessarily that many clothes because I decluttered so much in the summer, but it's just a mess. I need to just clean it out and like organize it somehow. So I guess this is where my mom was hiding all of the Christmas alcohol, because there's a lot stashed down here. My wardrobe looks like something out of the Prohibition right now. That's not okay. Just looking at all of these empty hangers makes me think about how much stuff I've gotten rid of in the last few months. I know some of my clothes are still back in Bahrain, and so that accounts for some of the empty hangers, but I think a lot of it is just stuff that I've gotten rid of. How insane is that? How did I even open my wardrobe before? Okay, so we've reached that midway point where it looks like the world is ending. Honestly, there's not as much to declutter as I expected that there would be, although I don't know what I thought I was going to declutter because I just did that huge KonMari declutter before I left in the summer, so I don't know what I thought I was going to get rid of. but I have managed to find some things that need to go. I have a little pile building up here of stuff that can go to the charity shop. I have a little pile here of stuff that needs to be recycled, but mostly it's about just getting things in order, because while I was gone, this room was being used to store stuff. Apparently a ton of alcohol, who knew? So things are kind of mixed up all over the place. So my wardrobes now are looking a lot better. I can actually fit my clothes in there. That's good. So next I want to go through my shoe cupboard and then the dreaded dressing table. So these are all empty makeup containers that I was saving to do an empties video with. But since none of them are cruelty free and I'm doing a cruelty free channel now, I really don't want to feature them in a video, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. Okay, that took way longer than I thought it would, but I'm finally done. It's not perfect by any means, but at the end of the day, I live here for about 6 weeks of the year, so it doesn't need to be, but I have got rid of a little bit more stuff. So I got rid of 2 bags of recycling, 1 bag of just general rubbish, and then here is the pile of stuff that needs to go to the charity shop. I feel like that's not too bad, considering pretty much the week before I left, I did that big KonMari declutter and I got rid of loads. So it's getting there. Just feels so overwhelming to be in such a small space with so much stuff. And no matter how much I get rid of, there still seems to be so much. So I need to bag this up, and then tomorrow I can take that over to the charity shop. Just get it straight out of my life. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and decluttering with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to become a member of our Oddball family. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs and I love you. As always, let me know how your decluttering journey is going in the comments down below. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all soon. Bye!